Hello students, welcome back. In last two lessons we have learnt parts of speech, right? And I told you that we are going to learn each part of speech in detail. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn nouns. But before we start nouns, let us recall what are parts of speech. Okay, I told you parts of speech are those words, those particular words that are assigned a particular job in a sentence. Okay, suppose there is a sentence, he is a boy. Okay, now he here is pronoun. Pronoun is assigned the job to take the name, to take the place of noun, and boy is a noun. So the parts of speech have to perform certain jobs, certain role in a sentence. Okay, we have learned all the parts of speech and now we are going to start them in detail. So in today's lesson we are learning nouns. As I told you children in the last lesson that what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Okay, noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing, idea or an emotion, right? Everything that has a name is a noun. Clear? Now examples children. Akash likes to go to the zoo to see the animals. Okay. Now here in this line, in this sentence, we have three nouns children. Akash, zoo and animals. Okay. Why? Because Akash is the name of a person. As I told you, noun is a name of things or a set of things such as person, place, living creatures are people. Okay, animals also. Now objects, things, places, the name of the places, ideas and emotions. Again I am repeating children, what are nouns? Nouns are the name of things, names of things and a pair of things, as we will learn later on. Collective nouns also, so it is a set of things or individual things, right? And what are those things children? Living creatures. Living creatures can be animals as well as people. Okay, then it can be idea or emotions, right? It can be places, it can be objects. Objects are things. So nouns are all naming words. And now as I told you this sentence, Akash likes to go to the zoo to see the animals. Now in this sentence children, we have three nouns. Akash, which is the name of a boy, okay, name of a person. So it will be a noun. Then zoo, it is the name of a place, clear? So it is also a noun. Then animals, of course I told you all living creatures include animals also, right? So here animals, the word animals is also noun, clear? Second example, I have a watch. I told you that nouns include objects also. So here the word watch is an object, a thing, a non-living thing, right? So watch will also be a noun. I live in India. India is a place. Of course, we are going to learn the kinds of noun later on. But here we are seeing different examples of nouns, right? So I live in India. India is a name of a place. Clear? So India will be also noun. What kind of noun we are going to learn later on. Ramesh is my brother. Clear? So here Ramesh. Ramesh is a name of a boy. So it will be a noun. Then Radha loves to play with my cat. Radha, which is a name of a girl, is also a noun. Now cat here is an animal. Clear? So animal also comes under noun. So Radha and cat both are nouns. Next, the name of my monkey is Toto. Clear? Now here Toto is a name of an animal. So Toto will be what children? It will be a noun. Clear? Now here my sister was born in March month. March is the name of a month. Okay. So March will be what children? Noun. Clear? Now teacher teaches in school. Here we have two nouns children. Teacher also and school also, because teacher is talking about a person, right? And school is talking about a person. So all these sentences are telling us different nouns. Okay, and in all these sentences we are seeing that noun is either the name of creature, living creature, it may be animal or a person. Then we saw it is a name of a place, clear, like India, zoo and other places. So it is a name of a place. It is a name of an object, thing, right? So thing like watch is a thing here, and ideas and emotion, we haven't included any sentence here. So he is a brave boy. Brave here is something that is an idea that we form about a person. Bravery cannot be touched, but it can be felt as an idea, right? So brave is a noun too. Clear? We are going to learn it in detail too. So here I told you what are nouns, children. I am repeating. Nouns are the names of things, set of things, okay? It can be collective, it can be individual. And what kind of thing? It is a name of a things and set of things, including creatures, living creatures, and including animals and humans. Then objects. Objects here means things, non-living things. Then animals. It can be a particular animal. It can be a name of an animal. Then it can be idea or emotions. Clear, children? So nouns are, all naming words are noun, name, person, place, animal or a thing, and idea and emotions. Clear, children? Now we are going to learn nouns broadly under concrete and abstract noun. In this lesson we will be able to complete only concrete and abstract noun. Okay, so concrete and abstract, today we are going to complete what are concrete and what are abstract noun. Then common and proper nouns, we are going to understand the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. Then I am going to teach you the collective nouns. Okay, collective nouns, group of things. Okay, collective means group. So group of nouns, the group, what all are the groups, right? Then countable and uncountable noun, what are countable nouns and what are uncountable nouns. Then the material nouns, we are going to understand all these separately, and I am also going to tell you singular and plural nouns. Okay, so we are going to cover everything under the topic nouns, but in today's lesson we are just going to understand abstract and concrete noun, the difference between the concrete and the abstract noun. Okay, children? Now, what are concrete nouns and what are abstract nouns? Okay. Now, concrete nouns are those nouns, children, which we can touch, okay, which we can see, which we can actually smell. Clear? So, all those things which can be seen, which can be touched, which can be smelled are known as concrete noun. Okay, and what are abstract noun? Abstract nouns are those nouns which cannot be touched, which cannot be seen through eyes, okay, which cannot be smelled through 5 sense organs. We all know the sense organs, right? So we cannot see them, touch them, smell them, taste them. So the things that cannot be felt through the sense organs, the 5 sense organs, are known as abstract noun. I am repeating, children. Concrete nouns are those things which can be touched, seen, smelled. Touched. Can I touch this pen? Of course I can touch this pen. So this pen is what? Concrete noun. Okay. Can I smell any dish? Say pasta, Maggi? Yes, we can do that. So that is a concrete noun. Clear? Can I see the board here, the whiteboard here? Yes, because I can see it through my eyes, it is a concrete noun. So did you understand what are concrete nouns, children? I am repeating my words, children. Concrete nouns are those nouns which can be seen, felt, seen, smelled, not felt, children, smelled and touched. Clear? So they are concrete noun. And abstract noun, if I talk about, then what are abstract noun? Abstract nouns are those nouns which cannot be seen, okay, which cannot be touched, clear, which cannot be smelled through 5 sense organs. Okay, example, as I told you, love. Can you see love? No. Can you touch love? No. Can you smell love? No. Love can only be felt. Okay, you can only feel the feeling of love of your mother, father, brother, sister and everyone around, right? So the feeling that can be only felt and not touched, smelled or seen are known as abstract noun. Clear? We are going to see a few examples of it, children. Like I told you, concrete nouns are those things which can be touched, seen, heard also and smell, right? Like person, place, things. These three things can be seen also, can be smelled also, can be touched also and can be heard also. Heard, radio can be heard, children. So radio also will come under the category of concrete noun because we can hear the sound of radios, right? So this is what concrete noun is. Now example, woman. Can we touch the woman? Can we see the woman? Yes. So woman is talking to my mother. Okay, the woman here is concrete noun. Let me also tell you, children, common noun, proper noun. Okay, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, and material noun. They all fall under the category of concrete noun, but we are going to study them separately. Repeating my words, children, common noun, proper noun, material noun, collective noun. Clear? They all fall under the category of concrete noun and we are going to understand them separately. Clear? Now here I was discussing a few examples of concrete noun. I told you woman, I gave you an example of woman. Mrs. Kamlesh is my teacher. Okay, now here Mrs. Kamlesh is the name of a lady. Can we see Mrs. Kamlesh? Can she be touched? Of course, yes. So, what is it, children? It is a concrete noun. Then doctor. Clear? Ram visited a doctor. So, doctor, can he be seen? Yes. So, it is a concrete noun. Then Sandy. Sandy is the name of the boy standing next to the building. Yeah, Sandy is his pet name. So, can the boy Sandy be seen through eyes? Yes. Can he be touched? Yes. So what is this? A concrete noun. Moving on to places, children. London. Okay, London is a beautiful place. So can London be visited? Can it be seen through eyes? Yes, it can be seen. So it is a concrete noun. Home. Can we see our houses? Can we see our home? Yes, of course. So home is also a concrete noun. Mountains. Of course, we can touch the mountains, right? So, he went for trekking to mountains, right? So, mountains is also a concrete noun. Zoo. Can we see zoo through eyes? Yes, we can do that. So, zoo is also a concrete noun. River. Can we see the river? Yes, of course, we can see rivers, right? So, here we have studied few concrete nouns. Clear? Now, things. Things are many, children. Cat. Can the cat be seen and touched? Yes, it can be seen and touched. So, it is a concrete noun. Books. We can see books. We can touch books, right? So, it is a concrete noun. Fans. We can see the fans moving. We can see the touch the fans. It is a concrete noun. Car. Clear? Can the cars be seen? Yes, of course, the cars can be seen. And Ferrari. Children, look here. I have mentioned car. Also, car is a common noun here. We are going to study it in detail, but I am telling you that common noun and proper noun both fall under concrete noun. So, here we have taken example of common noun also and proper noun also. Ferrari is the name of car. So, here I have included Ferrari also, right? Can we see Ferrari? Yes, we can touch it also. So, it is also a concrete noun. Another example of seeing and hearing as I gave you is radio. Right, then a name of a dish, say pasta. So it can be smelled also. Pasta can be smelled. So it is a concrete noun. It can be even touched and seen also. Radio, we can hear the radio. Clear? So and we can even see it. We can even touch it. Clear? So I have given you the separate examples of hearing and smelling also. Clear? Because all these things cannot be smelled. But here if we talk about pasta or any other dish, you say, right? We can smell them, right? So, smelling also is a part of concrete noun. Hearing also is a part of concrete noun. So, what I wish to tell you is, children, please understand anything that can be touched, seen, smelled, heard is known as, through the sense organs, is known as concrete noun. I gave you the example of board. I can touch the board, it is a concrete noun. I can touch the pen, it is a concrete noun. I can touch my dress, it is a concrete noun, right? Moving next, children, and I have already told you that common noun, proper noun, collective noun and material noun fall under the category of concrete noun. Clear? We are going to understand them differently. As I have told you here, concrete and abstract noun we are completing today. Maybe common noun, proper noun, material noun and collective noun we are going to complete in coming lessons. Clear? Okay. Now next, if we come on abstract noun, children. Abstract nouns are those nouns which can only be felt. Okay, ideas, emotions. Clear? So it can only be felt. It cannot be touched, smelled, seen through our sense organs. Clear? Examples as I have mentioned here, love. Can you feel love? No. Sorry, yes, you can feel love. Can you touch love? Can you see love? Can you smell love? No. So love is an example of abstract noun. Then intelligence. Can you see somebody's intelligence? No. The word intelligence can only be felt. If somebody is doing a work of great intelligence, we can say that yes, he has intelligence. But can we see that intelligence within him? No. We are just feeling that he is intelligent through his some deed, right? So intelligence also falls under the category of abstract noun. Then we have justice. Can the justice be seen? No, it can only be felt that yes, the justice has been done in particular case. Clear? So we cannot see it, we cannot smell it, we cannot hear it, we cannot taste it, but we can just feel justice. Okay, so justice is also an abstract noun. Then we have religion. Can the religion be seen? Can the religion be touched, smelled or heard? No. We just feel that yes, this is a particular religion. That's what we talk about concepts also. Hinduism, right? Then we are just talking about a religion, but we cannot touch it. We cannot smell it. We cannot smell it or touch it or hear it. Clear? Now emotions also, right? Happiness. Happiness can just be felt. Okay, his happiness is at an extent, right? So we can just see that, we can just feel that he is happy or I am happy. My happiness can be felt by me. Okay, can I touch that happiness? No. Can I hear that happiness? No. Can I smell that happiness? No. I am just feeling that yes, I am happy, right? Anger. वो केवल feel किया जा सकता है. When mother is angry, we feel that she is angry through her some deeds, right? She shows her anger through some other work, right? But can we touch that anger of hers? No. We can touch mother. Okay, but can we touch that anger of mother? No. Clear, children? Now, excitement. Of course, excitement can be felt. We are very excited to see that the schools are opening again. But can that excitement be touched? We are so excited for the news. We are waiting for the news, right? But can we touch that excitement? No. That excitement cannot be touched, right? Fear. Of course, fear can only be felt. If you see something horrible or if you see something scary, you can just feel that fear. You cannot touch that fear. Clear? You can touch yourself or you can touch the person who is afraid or is scared. But can you touch the word fear? No. Clear, children? So this is what I want to explain you before we understand the difference between proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, all these nouns. Before we understand all these nouns, we need to understand that there are nouns that can be touched, smelled, heard, okay, and there are nouns that cannot be touched, smelled or tasted or heard. Understanding, children? So that's all for today's lesson. But before I end, a quick revision of what we have done today. I told you the definition of noun. Nouns are names of things or set of things. pair of things, group of things, in which we include the creatures. Creatures include, living creatures include animals as well as humans, then objects, right? Then places, then we include ideas and emotions too, right? So broadly nouns are naming words, right? Then I told you that I told you few examples of noun. Children, you are also supposed to make at least 10 examples of noun in your registers. Clear? Now then I told you that nouns are concrete noun, abstract noun. Okay, under concrete noun we are going to understand proper noun and common noun, collective noun and material noun. But I am also going to discuss with you countable nouns, uncountable nouns, then singular nouns and plural nouns. Clear, children? Now, here I told you the difference between concrete noun and abstract noun. Okay, concrete nouns, as I told you, are the name of people, place, things that can be seen, heard, smelled, okay, and touched. Clear? And abstract noun, as I told you, they cannot be touched, seen, smelt or heard. Now, what are you going to do for your homework, children? You're going to make 10 examples of noun in which you can include abstract, concrete, material, whatever nouns. And now, then you are going to make 5 examples of concrete noun and abstract noun each. Before we begin learning the other nouns, before I teach you the other nouns. Okay, children? Thank you.